Meaning of gritty.
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 Gritty. Gritty refers to something that is rough, unpolished, and marked by an uncompromising attitude or determination. It implies a certain level of toughness, courage, and resilience in the face of adversity. For example, a gritty athlete would be one who never gives up, regardless of the challenges they face. Similarly, a gritty movie might be one that is raw and emotionally intense, without indulging in sentimentality or glossing over difficult topics. Overall, gritty describes something that is authentic, bold, and unflinching, even in the face of hardship or opposition.